Hello, I'm Daniel. This is the air pollution monitor team. My team members are me, Joe, Tuyet, and Nayeli. So over here we have my sensor, which is the VOC sensor. It detects volatile organic compounds in the air. And right next to it is the MQ131 ozone sensor. That's Joe's. That's the one he mainly worked on, and worked on the Arduino code and also the Nextion code as well. Up here is the CO2 sensor. That one was the one Nayeli focused on. And she also worked on the Arduino code for her sensor and looked at the range of values to make sure that it was accurate enough, as well as for the Nextion code as well. Tuyet's is the PMS 5003, the PM 2.5 sensor, and she also worked on the Arduino code for hers. And right next to it is the real-time clock. This sensor is for keeping track of the time, and for the Nextion being able to display a graph of values for all of our sensors.
Everything is powered by the this connector, the USB Type B connector. Right now it's being powered by my laptop, and at the last demonstration we're gonna use this wall plug to connect it, and we're gonna have everything closed up and ready to demonstrate everything. Right now we have everything open because we wanna show all the inner parts and all the components. All right, and on the side we have our switches. The top switch is the upload switch. When it's up, you can upload any code to the microcontroller, the Pro Mini microcontroller. At the bottom we have this connector, which is the connector used for uploading codes with the interface. This interface is then connected to this switch, and you can then upload any code from there. And once it's uploaded, you need to turn the switch down, and then you can run the system. Right here, the bottom one is the off and on button. When it's up, right now it's off, but when it's up, everything's gonna be powered. I'm going to turn it on right now, and you see everything is getting connected. Right now the sensors are warming up. There's the display shows a warning that shows that the sensors are warming up. Okay, and then you see now they are ready. We're going to test the VOC sensor with some alcohol. Okay, I put some alcohol here in a piece of paper. So as soon as it takes the alcohol, the sensor should go up. Okay, that's probably good enough pollution. It takes a little while for it to display. For right now, we can start testing the CO2 sensor. Daniel is gonna provide some CO2 to the sensor. Okay, Daniel, you can go ahead. And you can see it start going up. Takes a little bit of time too. Okay. All right, that's good. Okay. Let's provide more alcohol to the sensor, to the VOC sensor. That should be okay. And you see my sensor is affected by the alcohol too. It is affected inversely. So whenever there's alcohol in there, my sensor actually goes down. And now you can see the VOC detected the alcohol in there. Okay, and then we're gonna test the PM 2.5 sensor with some smoke. Okay, and you can see the CO2 it's starting to the pollution. The CO2 pollution started to go down. So okay, we provided some smoke. You can see the smoke, and the PM 2.5 is going up now. Okay. The VOC sensor takes a little bit of time to change. Okay. So yeah, like I didn't mention this, but we have to make a hole for the airflow for the PM 2.5. See the things is going down, and yeah, so we included some additional things here. So the display, we included this dim button. So if you push the button, the brightness should go down and up again. So it controls the brightness. Also, we included some graphs. So I'm going to click on the CO2 sensor, and it's going to take a little bit of time, but you can see it's up. So you cannot see it right now, but because it was off, it wasn't detecting any data. You see the red line, it wasn't detecting any data until now. You see the big jump up to 2000 parts per billion. So that's why. But once you click it once, it goes back to the thing. And my sensor, I have to make another video to test my sensor. My sensor has to be tested outside because there's no ozone in here. Just a little bit of ozone, which it detects it. But we need to go outside to test it to see if it goes up. Okay, so now we're gonna test the ozone. We're in the inside, and the ozone level is at 33 parts per billion. We're going to proceed to go outside. So you can see that the ozone level is going up. It's going to 40 now. 45.